Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'd first of all like to thank TIE and Ram Reddy specifically for giving me a chance, me and my company, to first of all apply for this particular award. And I'm very happy that we got selected and we have gotten this award. As mentioned, we are actually a German company with Indian roots. So I'll be spending some minutes describing what we actually do. We are not a VC-based company, so you are not going to see some millions and billions of numbers. And we are also not in the mobile space. We are actually in the wireless space. So what I like to call, we are actually a wireless clean tech company focusing on providing or enabling companies, buildings, factories go clean and green. So when we talk of buildings and factories moving away from mobile and iPhone and BlackBerry world, when you have a building, when you have a factory, when you have a convention center like that, all these infrastructures exist, and people actually are now talking more and more about optimizing operating costs, cutting costs, improving energy efficiency, reducing the carbon footprint. And that's exactly some of the areas where people today make ideas, think how actually can they go about doing it. When you actually have a solution of that type, what you actually in the first step need to do is you need to be able to measure and determine if you are actually able to improve your efficiency, if you are actually able to reduce your carbon footprint. And that's what we help our customers do. With the help of a scalable and a flexible wireless framework that we have developed back home in Constance. It's a town on the German-Swiss border, which is where the company is located. It's not a Silicon Valley. It's actually a valley where typically people go for skiing and swimming and hiking, but we were a little crazy, so we decided, okay, let's do some business. With this framework, what our customers who are using this actually get is they actually get a very easy and a flexible framework which they can use. As I was talking, these buildings, these infrastructures, these factories, they do exist. So all the infrastructures, all the BlackBerries, all the iPhones, all the computers, all the networks do exist today. So all you need is you need actually kind of a back-in. You just need to have a plug-in. That's exactly what we aim, and we have been able to do that with the help of a framework, a wireless framework that we have developed, which we call it as Senza. It's a proprietary framework based on a standard called as 802.15.4, which is a 2.4 gigahertz frequency band operating standard. We've just improved that a little bit to make it more secure and more reliable. And this framework is not only proprietary, it's actually future-proof. You can actually also make it standard compliant. Wireless HUD is one of that. The company actually is a B2B company. We work most of the times with system integrators, solution providers, and help them build solutions for customers. Or we also work with large OEMs and license that. In the some years that we have been existing, we've been working with some very big names in Germany. Bosch probably is a company that you might have heard of. Siemens is another name. Phoenix Contact is one more name. And building all the solutions which actually address the problem of connecting sensors to systems in the world of buildings and factories, and automating that and giving them kind of a back-end, backhaul connectivity. We have done some interesting applications ranging from doing some very complex pharmaceutical machine to doing some smart home applications in this last year. Currently, we are working with some large IT infrastructure company here in the USA, where we have been selected as a wireless technology supplier. No company is made of products, hardware and software. It's more about human capital. So it's the same also for our company. We are three actually in the management. All of us come from Siemens, have some years of experience. The white or the gray hairs are because of the mistakes that we have made in the past. And that's what we have used to make this company better. And we have some 20 more guys who are actually working with us in Germany and in India. And we are selling all over the world. We have a network of 22 partners who represent us in about 40 countries. Today we are near break-even. The technology is proven. Why I need to mention this, because those of you who know wireless sensor space know that building a real product which you can actually touch and hold it in your hand, and that it works, and that it actually is reliable, and that it meets what actually it says, is not only difficult, it's very difficult. Not many have achieved that, and we are happy to have achieved that. That's thanks to our team. And we're looking to expand our team, looking at all levels, to add our team, to augment our team with right people who has fire in their belly. And that's all I wanted to say. So I got 1 more minute to say, so I can say that, yeah, those of you who are interested in having some vacation can come to us. You're welcome. Thanks a lot.